Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back, and thanks for tuning in once again. As always, this is your captain speaking. Alright, now that we've gotten that out of the way, I want you all to sit back, relax, close your eyes, as I take you to a wonderful place that we all know. It's called Nostalgia Land. Man, I could listen to the music from this game all day long. Alright, everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are playing a little game I like to call Banjo-Kazooie. I've recently been playing as Banjo-Kazooie on Super Smash Bros., and he is the best character. You cannot fight me on that. Oh, this music just gets you in the most nostalgic mood. If you have not ever played this game before, I feel so sorry for you. This intro is a freaking classic. Oh man. Oh, that didn't used to say Microsoft Game Studios, that's a new. Okay, jumping right in, I'm gonna go for the one playing Game Boy, because that's super nostalgic. That's what I'm doing today. I'm just doing all nostalgia, all the time. Creepy witch head just, sitting there in your nice village. That's wonderful. That drives the property values up. This lady must have some serious self-confidence issues if she has to ask a cauldron if she's the most beautiful person. Yep, that's the face of pure beauty right there. See, this, kids, is why you do not get full of yourself and get all prideful, because you will turn into an evil witch. Oh, this girl? You mean everyone in this town? Everyone in the world? Oh, there she is. The one that's prettier than her, who's not even that good looking, but really it's not that hard. Ah, there he is, folks, in all his glory. Is that your brother? You know, that witch in the sky? No wonder you need glasses. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's a bear. You know, you kind of had this coming, allowing a witch to live in your neighborhood. I'm just saying. This is literally my favorite line in the entire game. You'll soon need bigger underwear. Oh man, I'm going through so much nostalgia right now. Even just the little sounds from their voices make me nostalgic. You know, I never understood the rivalry between this mole and this bird. Like, they're not even natural enemies in the wild. Just skipping over all of the learning stuff, because I've been doing this for, what, like 15 years? That seems like very little to some of you, but I know what I'm doing. Gonna go straight into the witch's mouth. That's the best idea. No learnings for me. This is my favorite part, because the entire game is around this little scene where it's like, oh, they're gonna turn her into a nasty looking person. It literally would take them 5 seconds, and I'm taking hours to get through all the levels. Now, this part of the game is essential. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, your childhood was sad. Just gonna go put this little jiggy in the puzzle. Just getting jiggy with it, if you know what I mean. Alright, I've discovered a new world. What's the first thing I should do? Oh yeah, murder! It's gonna take your honeycomb, which I'm assuming is what they have for blood in this world. Drinking all the blood of the foreigners. Don't quote me on that, kids. These guys are like a freaking cat in the tree. They just like find, I don't even know how they do it. They found the worst places to get stuck. Now I have to save all of them. I'm just one bear. Okay, I cannot go up that hill yet. Like in real life, I am constantly going downhill. That's one of my favorite things about these old games is all the collection things. It's not just getting through one level. You get all these different things for collecting all the small little items, and it's such a fun thing for completionists. There's another Jiggy. You know, that's such a bird thing to do. I love the little adult jokes in these games like this. How wonderful. And you will too, children, for just $9.99. I can teach you all of my skills. Whoa, this guy's got some issues, just throwing oranges at people. Hey, Harambee, it's not my fault, okay? I didn't kill you. That's right. Fall into my little trap, Harambee. Fall into my trap. Dang it, come on. There you go, good boy. Thanks for the Jiggy, idiot. Now give me an orange. That's right. We killed you and now we steal your stuff. That's how it works. And you know, that monkey could have worked for it, but why would we make him do that? What else would Bernie Sanders have to live for? Alright, now I'm gonna get him back. Your days are numbered, Harambee. Oh, jeez. Okay, you're a little bit stronger than I thought you were. Man, I thought this guy I'd actually be able to beat him. I honestly cannot remember most of this stuff from when I was a kid, so I didn't remember if I could beat him or not. It's looking like no. I'm just kind of pissing him off. Oh, running away. Okay, we're done with that. I don't even know what I'm supposed to be doing right now. I'm just kind of wandering around collecting things. That's one thing about these old games. Ooh, something else to murder. Oh, there you go. Ah, the blood of the innocent. Honey flavored. Ooh, a skull. How did you get here? I don't remember you collecting jiggies like I did. Man, why is this mole so mean to my bird? That's right, now I can crush my enemies. Come here. That's right. Look, a strongman trophy. Exactly what I deserve. Let's boost my ego some more. That's an extra life, okay. Hoya! Ooh, come on. Hoya! Dang, I can't figure out how to shoot these eggs. Hoya! Oh, there we go. Oh, hoya! Oh, hoya! 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 Yes, I did it. Man, these jiggies are a lot easier to get than I remember. Of course, I was just a scrub. I'll just wake this old guy up from his nap. Why is everyone being so mean to my bird? Hoop. Another skull, yay! Hoop. Now I can go freaking get that magic. Better not be giving me drugs, old man. That's right. Give me your magic. What now? Come on. Whoa. This is the weirdest drug deal I've ever been a part of. Am I an ant? Oh, I'm a termite. Not bad for first spell. Oh, that makes me feel good. Ow. Jeez, these guys are jerks. Everyone in here is a bully. Just gonna climb past you here. Doo-doo-doo. Come back for those notes later. Finally, I've reached the top. Ooh, another life. Yay, Jiggy! Alright. I think that was everything for this world. Yes, I found all the notes. I think I got all the Jiggies as well. Let's see. Hiya! I love the free running. Oh, there's one up there, but I can't get it. Well, as with everything in my life, I have to change myself to get anything that I want. Jump! Come on. Come on. There we go. Alright. Moving on. Alright, well. Just on to the next level. Right up the ramp into eternity. Oh, someone else to murder. Goodbye. Got enough notes to get through there. Yay! A little victory dance. That door was easy. Oh, really? You're just saying that because you're surprised and you don't want to show it. I'm just too good for you. Oh, who's this lady? I'm Matilda. Matilda's sister. Wow. This is way too much like The Wizard of Oz. I never realized that. All up for disgusting secrets. It's just like a mission of spite. I'm gonna tell you 3 disgusting things about my sister every time I see you, just for fun. Tuna ice cream flavored toothpaste. Wow, she must have to go to like a specialty store or something. Engine oil. Well, that's why it's so black. That makes sense. The trash can. They couldn't think of anything more original. She gets her clothes from the trash can. Oh, her big ugly face. How wonderful. All right, everyone. I think that's a good place to start. We played a good amount. I want to play this in the future sometime because I love this game. It's so much fun. If you want to see me play it some more, let me know in the comments. And thanks again for watching. As always, I will see you next time.